So now we'll see some questions of shift 16 March 6 shift 2. So in this first question it is given that it is a NOT gate. If we connect both the terminals of a NAND gate as a single input, then it is a NOT gate. So here we'll get output as A naught, and for B we'll get output as B naught, and for A naught B naught it is a NAND gate, so we'll get an output as A naught B naught bar. Now it is again connected with an NOT gate, so we'll get A naught B naught, or we can say that it is A plus B bar. So this is a NOR gate. So option fourth will be correct. Now in this question we'll see that it is asking that we have to calculate a time interval between 33% decay and 67% decay if half-life of substance is given as 20 minutes. So we can say that ln2 by lambda is equal to 20 minutes, and here lambda will come out to be ln2 by 20. And as we know that number of remaining nuclei is n is equal to n naught e to the power minus lambda t. Okay, n naught over the initial nuclei. So here we'll say that if there are 33% decay, then remaining nuclei will be 67%. So 0.67 n naught is equal to n naught e to the power minus lambda. I'm taking this time as t1, and if I'll take ln, then it will be 0.67. ln 0.67 is equal to minus of lambda t1. Now for 67% decay, the remaining nuclei will be 33%. 0.33 n naught is equal to n naught e to the power minus lambda t2. Now I'll take ln on both the sides, so it will be 0.33 is equal to minus lambda t2. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now I'll subtract equation 1 from 2, or I'll subtract 2 from 1. So it will come out to be ln 0.67 minus ln 0.33 is equal to t2 minus t1. This t2 minus t1 will be our answer, t2 minus t1 into lambda. So I'm getting here as ln 0.67 upon 0.33 is equal to, I'll put the value of lambda, which is ln2 upon 20 is equal to t2 minus t1. Now 0.67 upon 0.33 I can approximately take as 2. So this will be ln2 is equal to ln2 by 20 into t2 minus t1, and I'll get t2 minus t1 as 20 minutes. So for this question our answer will be option 2. Now this is a question of waves. Here it is given that the densities of two gases are rho 1 and rho 2. We have two pipes. One is closed organ pipe and another is open organ pipe. And the compressibility are equal in both the pipes. So bulk modulus will be equal. Both the pipes are vibrating in their first overtone with same frequency. Frequencies are same. So for closed organ pipe, fundamental frequency is V by 4L. So first overtone will be 3V by 4L. Here we can say that V will be equal to V by rho, because velocity will be under root V by rho. So we can put the values 3 by 4L into under root V upon rho 1. And for open organ pipe, first overtone will be 2V by 2L dash, 2V dash by 2L dash. V dash will be the speed of wave in open organ pipe. L dash is its length. So here we'll get V dash upon L dash, and V dash will be under root V by rho 2 dash upon 1 upon L dash. And it is given that these both frequencies are equal. So I'll equate them. So 1 by L dash is equal to under root B by rho 2 dash, and here under root V by rho 1. Here not rho 2 dash, rho 2. Okay, so now I'll get as L dash is equal to 4 by 3 L under root rho 1 by rho 2, and here they are asking x value of x. So if we compare, the value of x is coming out to be 4. In this question, they are saying if all the mass of the earth is removed and taken to infinity, the amount of energy supplied will be x by 5 gm square by r. So as we know that the self energy for solid sphere is equal to minus 3 by 5 gm square by r. And if this r tends to infinity, or all the masses are taken to infinity, then the self energy will be 0. If r tends to infinity, self energy will be 0. So the work done will be final potential energy or final self energy minus initial self energy, and it is coming out to be 3 by 5 gm square by r. And from this we can say that value of x will be equal to 3. In this question, it is saying that a disk is rolling down the inclined plane without slipping, and we have to find the acceleration of this. So I'll make the free body diagram. Here there will be friction. This is mg sine theta, and acceleration a. So we can write an equation for acceleration: mg sine theta minus f is equal to ma. And also for the equation of torque, I am writing equation of torque about this center, and this I'll take as alpha, angular acceleration. So it will be f into r is equal to I alpha. So f into r, I will be mr square by 2 into alpha will be a by r. So here from this I'm getting friction as f is equal to ma by 2. Here this is small m. Now I'll substitute this value of f small f in the above equation. So then I'll get mg sine theta minus ma by 2 is equal to ma. So from this I'll get mg sine theta equal to 3 ma by 2, and acceleration a will be equal to 2 by 3 g sine theta. And in this question they are asking the value of b, so this will be the value of b, and our answer will be 3.